Shenzhou Xinli Neckwear Company Limited is established in 2009. Located in Shenzhou City, is well known as the Ties County of China. Xinli Neckwear is the intelligent choice for custom tie. Make every tie your tie. Dress well. Do good, and let the universe do the rest. Basically, we make ties and accessories. Xinli is specialized in developing and selling silk jacquard woven neckties, printed ties, polyester ties, knit ties, bow ties, pocket squares, silk scarves, waistcoats, cufflinks, and tie bar. Xinli has their own company business practice and quality control. Xinli's cooperative factory introduces new weaving equipment, is able to do with the whole tie producing from types designing, fabrics weaving, handmade and machine-made tailor, ironing and sewing. Facing to the fierce competition and challenges from the market, our company will be always centered on specialized operation and developed based on talent capital for the future of Xinli Neckwear. Our products are not only sold in China, but also sold abroad like the United States, Japan, the European Union, South Korea, Canada, Australia, and Southeast Asia. Our products quality according to clients' requirements. Our company is showing our strong vitality to be your ideal cooperation partner. We are always waiting for your collaboration. If you are interested in any of our products, please feel free to contact us. We are looking forward to forming successful business relationship with new clients around the world in the near future.